gardening show with Nana. She's over there doing something. And me, Laura. So, we got all the stuff we're gonna put soil in here. We got some cups like this one. We have some more. I think you can already see these plants, but I got a special plant right here that we're gonna do. We got some water. And then I see your face in the big, in the other one.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, but I still can't see. Welcome to the farmstead. We're gonna plant some plants like this one.
These are succulents.
These are succulents.
Right.
Got some other plants. Then I got this. It's a special plant. I'm gonna show this one. It's a special plant. We're gonna plant later.
Okay, this was one that had broken off, so we're gonna do something special with that, okay?
Yep.
All right, so the soil we're using
We got
is
a lot of different cups. I even picked a pink.
Where did we get all the cups? We bought them at thrift stores.
I picked a pink cup over here. There's so many cool cups. We're gonna pour in this into this big bowl.
Okay, so this is the soil we're using. So this is a cactus, palm, and citrus potting mix.
This is a cactus, palm,
And citrus
potting
potting mix.
mix.
Okay, I'm gonna pour some in our bowl.
Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Nana.
Okay, we're gonna start with that.
Can I pat it down?
We're gonna get it a little wet.
Then can I pat
Pour a
it
little
down?
water in there, and I want you to mix it up really good, okay?
Pour.
All right, mix it up.
Gross. It's kind of weird. Good thing I'm wearing gloves.
I know.
You're the only one who's not wearing gloves.
All right, you're doing the mixing.
Which is
Get
a
some
lot.
of this and some of that. There you go.
Can I
Now, we
pat
don't
it?
want it dripping wet because these are like cactuses and they don't need a lot of water. Ooh, there's a big piece. We don't need that in there. We'll put in our.
Can I pat this down though?
Nope, because we want it fluffy because we're gonna put it in a container. All right, so let's start with which one are we gonna start with?
Let's start with the littlest
The
one.
little one.
The littlest.
Okay, which pot are we gonna put it in?
We're gonna put it in this pot.
Okay, so put about half full.
Half full. That first little line.
Mm-hmm.
Is that good?
Let's get out of this little pot here. We'll make sure it's not root bound, which means all the little roots are all, everywhere and bound up together. All right, so we're going to put it in there and set it down in here and then fill it up with dirt.
Yep.
Okay, be careful because the leaves will break off very easily.
Mm-hmm.
So
Because these are a special kind of plant. They're like cactuses.
They are. So they're very tender.
They're baby cactuses. Cacti. Or you could call it cacti.
Is that the plural?
Cactos. You
I think
could,
cacti is the plural.
yeah, but you could call it whatever you want. Just has to be something with cactus.
Yeah.
Because these are
All right.
cactuses.
So there's one.
We got one plant.
Cute.
Is it? Wait, let me show. Isn't it so adorable? We
It is
have our
adorable.
own mini plant.
We do. All right, I'll set them right over there. And pick another one.
We do that one now.
This one. Okay.
We're starting with the small ones.
Okay, which pot are we going to put it in? We got one. Okay. So it's about half full.
This is like a wild one. This is
It's like a little pottery bowl.
yeah. Is that good enough, Dad?
Yeah, I think so. Okay, we're going to be very careful.
This is the easiest plant.
Yeah, sit in there. We're going to put dirt around it. Little at a time.
It's like a little river plant.
Little at a time. Be careful not to break off the
Leaf.
leaves.
Hey, get in there. Oh. You're going to have to do that
Okay,
part.
let's see. Let's set it down in here.
You're going to have to do the put it in part. Okay?
You're doing pretty good.
Yeah, it's just really hard with that part. of them.
Push it down in there, good. We want to
we
get
don't
all
need
the air bubbles out of there.
That's why I mixed it. To get some of the... Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Look at my hands. Look at my hands.
All right.
This is our second plant.
There we go.
It's a little bit taller.
Okay, what's next? Which one's next? How about we put this tall one in that
Yes,
pink
that
bag?
would be perfect.
That would be perfect. Okay, so put quite a bit in there.
We gotta put it halfway full.
Well, we need a little more than half. That one's kind of tall. It's a little bitty pot.
For a little bitty pot. That's not halfway full.
How about one more?
One more scoop?
Yep.
Here we go. Go in, Mr. Plant. Yeah.
All right.
Just a little one. This one's going in the pink, which is my favorite color. At least I know that's my favorite color. Hey, Nana's wearing pink. I was gonna wear my pink shoes today.
You were.
Mommy didn't let me.
Oh, well.
Oh, well. Pat, pat, pat. This one's a little easier to do because it's not the leaves like on the sides and stuff.
Swap it off.
Vapey, vapey.
Yeah. Well, your hands are dirty. Let's or mine. There we go. That's a pretty one.
That's our second plate.
Okay.
That's a
Third. Okay, what's next?
Another tree.
Another one.
How about is this?
I love that one.
It's really swirly and it goes good.
Here, sit it right there.
Oh, you made a little hole for it.
Okay, put some in.
Oh,
Oh, there's a stick. We don't need sticks.
oh, not another one. Is that good enough?
I think so.
Oh.
These are very dry. We are going to have to give them a good drink of water when we get done.
Yeah.
You know what?
Well,
We need to, it's going to be a little trickier. Okay, here you go.
Look at that, baby.
Nice.
That's
All
our fourth
next.
plant. Fourth. I really like this one.
Okay. What are we going to put it in?
We're going to put it in this one because this one's fancy. Make
Okay.
some room. Plop it in.
Pop it in.
And plop.
Okay, that might be enough. Let's see.
I just did one plop.
All right, now plop some around it.
Plop, plop, plop.
Easy, easy.
I know. I'm trying to fit it in there. Oh, oh, oh.
It's okay.
Today we're going to wipe these off when we get done with the video.
Okay.
That's our fifth.
Next.
How about you move all those cups around real quick? Gonna do a big one.
Which one's the big one you're gonna? You know what? We need a bigger bowl. I got a bigger bowl for that one. Look here. Okay, let's put a little bit in there and see how this works. Okay.
Bop, bop. This is a big cat eye. This one? A little too big? Oh, we're gonna have to set it by itself.
I think so. We'll eventually have to split this in two, but for today we're gonna just do it like this. Use your fingers and push it down in there.
We need enough for this little baby. Well, actually a big baby.
It is. It's kind of a toddler.
Yeah, it's the biggest plant.
It is.
Because how big that container is. Put the big one on the bottom, Nana, of all the plant holders. Okay? Second. Wait, not second. Why do I keep saying
I
second?
don't know.
Sixth. So how do you-
Okay, let's do this one. What are we gonna put this one in?
We have more cups than I thought.
Well, because we went and got the bigger one.
This one.
Yep. Isn't that cute?
Yes, it is.
All right, let's put just a little bit in the bottom.
Wait, did I count these right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, we did, but we added, remember?
Oh, right.
Okay, let me hold this one so it doesn't move around while we're stuffing.
I'm gonna do this side because
You stuff the back.
it's like a little boat for this.
It is.
Wait, it's so
Cute,
pretty.
cute.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. It's
Right.
sailing away, Dana. Last and final plant.
One more.
I have to do from these two.
Good one. All right, how we do? Are they cute?
Yep.
All right, you take that. Let me move this.
How did we do, guys? It's
All right, line them up so we can see them all.
How do you like it? And, Dana, are you ready for a special planting?
Oh yes, the special one. Let me get some dirt. All right, so this is one that fell off of one of the other plants.
One of these plants.
One of those. And what we're going to do is we're just going to lay it like that. Okay? Don't have to push it. Don't have to do anything. You just have to lay it.
I'm just going to cover it up.
And then we're going to set it over on the shelf, out of the way. We're going to keep it watered when we water the others. And eventually, it will grow a baby plant.
We're going to take care of it just like we're going to take care of all these beautiful plants.
Good job. Now what are we going to do with these? We're going to maybe show them with friends or set them out on the porch.
Set them out on the porch.
Okay.
So we get them sunlight.
So they get some sunlight. All right.
Bye.
What do we say?
Thanks for watching today's video.